In the last 3 weeks, a brand new YouTube channel called Mr. POV Explainer has racked over 15,000 subscribers, pulling in hundreds of thousands of views with a niche almost nobody is talking about. It's called the Dark POV Explainer niche, immersive, first-person storytelling that drops viewers into intense worlds like military ranks, criminal hierarchies, intelligence agencies, and prison systems, while realistically breaking down how those systems actually work. And here's the opportunity. It's not saturated. Not yet. In today's video, I'm going to show you step-by-step how to create these Dark POV Explainer videos using completely free AI tools. So make sure you watch to the end so you don't miss any critical steps. Now let's get started. The very first step to creating viral Dark POV Explainer videos is choosing the right topic or title. Head over to the Google Doc linked in the description below and copy the topic prompt provided there. Next, open your preferred AI writing tool. For this tutorial, I'm using ChatGPT. Paste the prompt directly into the chat box, then make one simple adjustment. Specify how many YouTube titles or video topics you want it to generate. Once you hit enter, within seconds, ChatGPT will generate a complete list of click-worthy, algorithm-friendly YouTube titles tailored specifically for this niche. If none of the titles feel strong enough, that's completely fine. You can simply ask ChatGPT for more variations, and you'll instantly receive a fresh batch of optimized video ideas. Take a moment to carefully review the results and select the title you prefer. Now that you've chosen your video topic or title, the next step is generating a high-retention YouTube script tailored specifically to that idea. Head back to the Google Doc and copy the script prompt provided there. Next, return to ChatGPT and paste the prompt directly into the chat box. Before pressing enter, make a few quick adjustments. First, specify the script length in minutes, depending on how long you want your video to be. Whether it's a 5-minute explainer or a 10-minute deep dive immersive narrative, then enter the topic or title number you selected earlier from the generated list. This ensures the AI creates a fully customized script aligned with your chosen concept. Once that's done, press enter. Within seconds, ChatGPT will generate a complete, professionally structured YouTube script designed to hook viewers immediately, build tension throughout, maintain strong audience retention, and increase your chances of ranking in YouTube search and appearing in suggested videos. The next step is producing a professional, natural-sounding AI voiceover, and for this tutorial, we'll be using ElevenLabs. Start by heading over to ElevenLabs and clicking Sign Up to create your free account. Once you're logged in, select Instant Speech to open the voice generation interface. Next, go back to ChatGPT and copy the full script you generated earlier. Then return to ElevenLabs and paste the script directly into the text box. Now it's time to choose a voice. Click on Voices, where you'll find a wide range of professional AI voices. Preview each option and select the one that fits the tone of your video. Once you've chosen the right voice, click Generate. In just a few seconds, ElevenLabs will create a high-quality, natural-sounding voiceover that feels realistic, emotionally authentic, and perfect for your faceless Dark POV YouTube videos. Finally, download the voiceover directly to your device. The next step is getting the visuals. But before generating images, you need high-quality AI image prompts to ensure your visuals match the style of the successful channel we're modeling. Head back to the Google Doc linked in the description and copy the image prompt template provided. Next, open ChatGPT and paste the prompt into the chat box. Make one simple adjustment. Specify the number of image prompts you want the AI to generate. Once you hit enter, within seconds, ChatGPT will generate a complete set of ready-to-use, highly detailed image prompts, each one tailored for the Dark POV Explainer style. Now that we have our image prompts ready, the next step is to generate the visuals, and for this, we'll be using Flow AI. Start by heading over to Flow AI and logging in. Once you're inside, click Create with Flow, then New Project. This opens the creation interface where you can generate high-quality images completely for free. Before generating, adjust a few key settings to optimize for YouTube. Set the aspect ratio to landscape for video, and choose the number of outputs you want. For this example, we'll select 2. Next, go back to ChatGPT and copy the first image prompt you created. Paste it directly into Flow AI and click Generate. In just a few seconds, Flow AI will produce 2 cinematic visuals, perfectly matching the minimalist documentary style that keeps viewers engaged in the Dark POV Explainer niche. Review the results, Download the image you prefer. Now repeat these steps for each of your remaining prompts to generate the full set of visuals for your video. The final step is bringing everything together with editing, and for this we'll be using CapCut. Start by opening CapCut and clicking New Project. Import all the cinematic images you generated with Flow AI. Make sure to set the aspect ratio to 16:9, which is perfect for YouTube. Next, import the AI voiceover you created with ElevenLabs. Carefully cut out any empty spaces or pauses in the narration. This ensures your video flows smoothly and keeps viewers engaged from start to finish. Once the voiceover is polished, arrange your images to sync perfectly with the narration, creating a seamless, immersive storytelling experience. Now let's add captions to improve accessibility and boost SEO performance. Click on Text, then select Auto Captions. You'll see multiple caption templates. Choose the one that fits your style. Click Generate, and within seconds, your captions will be ready. Place them strategically where they enhance comprehension and engagement. After everything is aligned, watch the video from start to finish to ensure pacing, transitions, and captions feel natural. Once satisfied, click Export, increase the resolution to 4K, and download your finished Dark POV Explainer video. Now let's take a look at our final result.
You start in a room you barely recognize. The walls are bare, the mattress thin, and the hum of a faulty air conditioner fills the silence. You are young, unknown, replaceable. Every file on your desk is stamped confidential, but the names mean nothing yet. Footsteps echo in the hall. You freeze, unsure who watches, unsure if you even belong here. Years pass. You follow the rules, memorize the codes, learn the streets. Your promotions are quiet. Emails, briefings, a badge added to your wall.
Now let's create an eye-catching YouTube thumbnail. Because in the Dark POV Explainer niche, your thumbnail can make the difference between getting ignored and going viral. Head over to the Google Doc and copy the thumbnail prompt provided. Next, return to ChatGPT and paste the thumbnail prompt directly into the chat box. Once you click Enter, ChatGPT will immediately begin generating a professional, high-contrast thumbnail concept tailored to your video's theme and target audience. Within seconds, your custom thumbnail design will be ready. Bold typography, strong emotional expression, and a clean, clickable layout that stands out in search results and suggested videos. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment if you have any questions.